Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys which kind of device do I use, like phone, laptop, like what is actually the best value for your money when you want to use for your traveling or maybe you want to use for your outdoor trading or anything. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys everything. So we can start with the laptop I use. This is a MacBook M2 40 inches. I bought it like 3 months ago. And one thing I really love about this laptop is because first, the battery life is really good. Like I can charge it full in the morning, like 6 a.m., and I can use it until evening and without even worrying about charging it. So sometimes I can go to the poolside and I take my laptop with me, I take my phone with me, and I go, I trade. I can do my outdoor trading, is really nice. And one more thing is you can use it for your content creating if you maybe have a social media you want to make a content for. This laptop is really good. You can run your best software editing, you can do anything. This laptop does everything I need. Sometimes when I'm even home, like on my desktop, I don't even use my desktop sometimes. I'm just on my laptop doing everything I know. And one thing I love about this compared to a window machine is this laptop is what? It doesn't have a fan. So that means that it doesn't overheat and it doesn't have a fan. I can be putting it there, I can use it, and I don't even feel like my knees or I don't even feel any sort of heat down here. And it is silence. The battery lasts a lot. I think lasts with me at least 8 hours, which is really perfect, right? And I think it's just the best if you want to get a laptop to be using it for, I don't know, your trading or your content creating. I think the MacBook is just the best case compared to a Windows. I've used a window before and I can 100% tell you guys that MacBook is the best. But if you want to use it for gaming, I think buy a window machine is better for gaming. I've never really played a game on this my laptop, so I can tell you it's purely for professional work only. If you want to use it for content creation or trading or anything in between. For the phone, this is the phone I'm using is a iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I bought it like a month ago. Like last year, I was using 14 Pro Max, and I'm now upgrading to the 15 Pro Max. So as I'm saying, I have two phones. I have the 15 Pro Max, and I have the S24 Ultra, which is the one I'm using to make the video there. So basically, I like using this phone for my trading. When I use it for Instagram, I use it for MT5. I use it for everything that is business related. I use this phone. So my iPhone is like my primary phone. Everything is inside of this phone. But then when you ask me why did I even buy the S24 Ultra if I'm not even using it? The S24 Ultra, I basically use it much for video making. Like when I make my YouTube videos, not most, all my YouTube videos that you watch so far are made or are filmed from that S24 Ultra. I only use the iPhone for pictures because when I compared it, my Samsung is better at making videos, and then my iPhone is even better at taking pictures. So pictures, I use my 15 Pro Max, and then for videos, I use my S24 Ultra, which is right there. And for the mic, this is the mic I use. I think is Holy Land LAC M2. Okay, this is the mic I'm using. It's a wireless mic. Is even the one I have it here. So what it does is you guys have like a yeah, it has this thing. You just have to plug it on your phone. I plug it on this phone here, and then you just have to take off the mic and you put on your shirt, and that's it. Really good quality. Sometimes I record without even editing anything, and it's just perfect. If you guys have any issue with my mic, let me know. But this mic is just the best. So for the headset, this is the headset I use. I don't even know the name. I think the name is here, but I don't know. I just bought it and I love it. The fact that I love about this headset is because the audio quality is really nice, right? But the most important thing is the battery. It lasts a lot. You have to charge it and then you can use it. You can connect it to a Bluetooth, or you can also connect it via this thing. And it also has a mic. So basically, most of my calls recorded and my Zoom calls, I use this to make my Zoom calls with my students. And also when I travel, let's say I'm inside of a bus or I'm inside of a plane, I like putting this one on and then putting my music, and that's it. Disappear. When I put this on, you talk to me, I can't even hear you. I'm fully immersed into my music. So I use this one for that. And the next thing is I have this Samsung AirBuds. I think it's AirBuds. I think that's how they call it. And I use this one for making calls. Let's say if I want to make a call on my phone, I just plug this one and then I connect it to my phone. It's a Samsung thing, but I can also connect it to my 15 Pro Max. I connect it and then I start making my calls. So these are basically pretty much all my devices I use, and I think that's like pretty much it. So if you guys have any suggestion, anything more that I have to buy or anything I have to change, or if you guys like, if you have any question, basically feel free to reach out to me. And basically, I think these are the best. I think with all of this, I don't need anything more. And yeah, I bought a drone which may come next month, a DJI drone, and I'll let you guys know when I receive it. Thank you. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to reach out to me.